Warga Patisi TV.
Let me first share our deepest condolences to our members of the bereaved family of our beloved late leader, Dr. Lapang. Um, and fact is that I'm able to join the family today at this hour of grief and mourn together the demise of our beloved leader. Now you look at the innings of late Dr. Lapang, who has been there for such a long, long time in serving the people. I am fortunate and I had been privileged to be able to work together with him and to learn many things in course of my association with him in our collective endeavor of running the government, running the political party to which we belong together, and also navigating through all the pulls and pushes of politics, facing the ups and downs in our journey together from the time I had the privilege of being with him, because he started innings long, long time back. He was born even before my late father. My late father was born in 1931, and our beloved leader, Dr. Didi Lapang, was born in 1929. So you can understand that with all his wealth of experience in public life, how enriching it has been for me to be with him, to be able to work with him, who desired to continue to work and serve the people till the age where people would have probably given up even before reaching half of his innings. Because in 1998, when he was again re-elected after a brief absence from the House, from the August House between 93 and 98, as you are all aware. Every politician had, challenges associated in our respective inning. He too had these challenges. So between 93 and 98, Nongpo was represented by somebody else. But people sent him back because he wanted to continue to serve the people and be available for the people. And at that point of time, you look at the age, how he was already a senior citizen. In 1993, even when I became an MLA, I was only 27 years old. So by the time he uh, gave me the privilege of being able to work with him, he was touching his 70s. And I was just 33 years old. And until he decided to let it go, he was available for all of us. Not only for me, but for all of us. And that has been what we can say as his contribution. Despite the challenges, which is usually extraordinary for politicians, the challenges that we as politicians face is very different, extraordinary, multifaceted problems. It's not, an individual personal problem. It's a problem which confront the society, which confront the team, which confront the political party, which confront the overall system while you are in the helm of affairs of governance, and how you navigate and overcome these challenges. So, for a person to shoulder the responsibility, which is so challenging from multiple perspective, you can well understand the contribution. Hats off to him. Many people would have surrendered and let it go. So that's my memory, and it has been always enriching. We had times when we had to share the, you know, moments of failure, moments of success in the whole political pulls and pushes that you witnessed in Meghalaya over the decades. And the relationship between him and me personally has been very, very different. Unlike the relationship between me and others, unlike the relationship between late Dr. Lapang and the rest of the colleagues, because ours was different. Well, you see, there are multiple times when he has inspired me and impacted my life in my career as a politician, depending on the circumstances which surrounded us at different points of time. So it is not just a single moment or single time of influencing or impacting my whole career as a politician. There are many times, depending on the situation and circumstances, as how we faced. Because there were many a time when in the government we had to take certain decisions, where me and him used to discuss quietly within the four walls. Because certain things we don't discuss in public as a strategy in our approach to governance. And one thing is that the trust and confidence that he had on me as one of his lieutenants, one of his trusted lieutenants, that was because he and me, we knew each other very, very well. I trusted him, he trusted me. And he taught me the art of being patient, but at the same time, be persistent and be strong enough to pursue the goal in as far as the goal that you set in respect to serving the people. And the spirit that he tried to pass on to me was that once you set your goal with patience and perseverance, don't give up. With truthfulness and honesty, with sense of optimism, pursue it and you're gonna get it. Don't give up. He never had that spirit of giving up. But he always told, he always reminded us, but no, when you should, when you should also accept the challenges associated with both victory and defeat. So when the defeat is inevitable, accept it. And when you face defeat, let it be your lesson. Let you learn from that instant and occasional failure and how that can be somehow a process of conditioning so that you can navigate in future to overcome similar kind of challenges, and then you don't end up committing any kind of mistake which can maybe also a factor for sensitivity or to understand the factors, the overall dynamics of social, uh, particularly political dynamics, uh, which can which can create that kind of challenges which may be difficult for us to overcome in the given circumstances. So, that whole spirit of not giving up when you have a clear and honest intention to serve the people. It is always difficult. It's always going to be difficult. Challenges will always be there, but the door shall never be shut. That must be kept in your mind. That is what he told me. The relationship between me and Dr. Didi Lapang was exclusive, different, and we knew each other very, very well. I miss him. I am happy that I could meet him before his situation deteriorated, and I could speak to him. He wanted to tell me many more things, but we had to request him to rest because of the constraint with which he was trying to speak. It was definitely, it's a definitely a moment which I will remember for a long, long time. And I wish, I pray for his departed soul. And our prayers are there for the, in fact, the family has been so supportive to him. allowing him to continue to serve. So we are grateful to the family as well.